A window cleaner goes into a bar, sees his friend sat at the bar, goes over to him and says, "What do you want?" And his friend answers him and says, 20% off all items on Window Cleaning Warehouse online. He looks at his mate, shakes his head and says, "It's not till midnight on the 24th of November, you stupid idiot." That was not a joke, just solid facts. Fact number 1, all of our Black Friday sale is online and is only 24 hours, so make sure you get your orders in quick. Fact number 2, some items aren't included, like tanks, resin and ladders, and that's because they're already cut to the bone. Would you want my shirt off my back as well? Fact number 3, certain items will go out of stock quickly, such as your univalve, and can I just have my shirt back please? Univalve, your bucket on a belt, your microfibers, and your squeegee rubbers as well, and a backpack. So to avoid disappointment, get your order in early, because once it's gone, it's gone. Mate, I can't do this anymore, this is ridiculous. The 24th of November for our online Black Friday sale. From the state-of-the-art telescopic water-fed pole to these little fellas. They're O-clips. Black Friday, midnight the 24th November. 20% off for 24 hours.